Hey everyone, welcome to Beaver Lodge Smoke Pit. Today we're going to fire up the grill and we're going to do my version of a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Alright, let's get cooking. We're going to begin with prepping our ingredients. So slicing up some green peppers, nice and thin. Also going to slice up a yellow onion. Next I'm going to season up my beef. Traditionally I'd use ribeye for a Philly, but I got a nice thin piece of flank steak. That'll work just fine. We'll get some butter on our rolls and we'll head out to the grill. Light a fire starter here, and I'll get a chimney full of charcoal going. Once my coals are ready, I'm going to dump those out on the grill, try to keep them all on one side so I can have one hot zone and one cool zone. I'm also going to toss in a couple chunks of applewood, give it a little smoke flavor. Here I'm putting in my Arteflame Weber grill insert. This thing will work awesome for searing our steak and then frying up our veggies. I'm just doing a quick minute or so on each side. I don't want to cook this all the way through. Just get a little bit of a seared char on the outside. Here we'll get some oil down on the grill and we'll start working on the veggies. Getting those peppers and onions softened up. Once everything's cooked through, we'll combine it, cover it with some Provolone cheese, get that melted. These might not be your traditional Philly, but they turned out fantastic. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and check out more of our videos. And don't forget to check out the Beaver Lodge Smoke Pit over on Instagram.